What's up guys? Guess what? It's another S4 video of how stuff is breaking down and how it lives on a hoist. That's right. In this video, I want to give you an update on how the exhaust has been performing. I've had it installed for about 2 months now, and here's what I've encountered so far. Problem number one we have is extreme engine bay temps. The more power we make, the more heat we make. What's wrong with heat? Heat kills longevity and power. Right now, the test pipes I have installed on the car are releasing heat into the engine bay instead of redirecting it to the end of the exhaust pipes. Problem number two, guys, the strength. These test pipes only lasted 2 months before they broke at the weld. They couldn't handle the engine's torque or the heat being produced. Last but not least, problem number three, vibration. I know I already touched on this in my previous video, but it's by far the biggest problem for me. At 2,000 RPMs, the vibration is so strong, I feel it in my bones. Higher. As a lifelong Audi customer, this is not Audi quality. That's why today, I'm installing upgraded Red Star test pipes. Hopefully, they'll solve the majority of the problems I just listed. Why are the Red Star test pipes any different from the ones currently installed? First of all, they're thick. I'm hoping this will solve problem number 2 and 3, strength and vibration. Secondly, the test pipes are lined with heat shields. Hopefully these heat shields solve problem number 1, which is heat. All right guys, let's get started. Alright guys, as you saw, we finished the install with the test pipes. I decided to go above and beyond and wrap the whole downpipe section just to overdo it and kill the resonation of the exhaust. When you wrap a rubber band around a piece of metal, it actually absorbs the frequency from it. So by wrapping it, we actually killed the drone and resonation from the exhaust. But two, we keep the heat in the exhaust and direct it to the rear of the exhaust. So it kills 2 birds, 1 stone. If you guys note previously in the video, we had these rubber vibration dampeners installed. Those were to really knock out all remaining resonation we had in the exhaust, which they did a great job at. The final product of the Red Star test pipes, the exhaust vibration dampeners, the ECS valved exhaust, along with the heat wrap, it's amazing, guys. This is hands down the best you can get of both worlds. When I open the valves, it's rowdy. When I close them, I can talk to my friend next to me in the car without hearing this obnoxious drone, which you guys know about. So ECS, you killed it. I love this option. I'm in love with my exhaust. Thank you for letting me enjoy my car even more. That's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions about the exhaust. Until then, take care, guys.